Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and I am currently working as a data analyst in Adyen Analytics. Today in this new video, we are going to dive into a fascinating topic that combines the data visualization and the power of AI. I will show you how we can use ChatGPT to effortlessly create stunning themes for your Power BI report. Whether you are a data analyst or a business professional or just someone curious about data visualization, this video is for you. So let's start with the traditional way of creating Power BI themes. So here I have a report in which I have created some visuals, and if I want to customize the theme for this report, then I have to navigate to the View tab, and in the theme option I can get the option to customize current theme. When I click on this, a new box will get open which gives me option to customize theme for name and colors, text, visual, page and filter pane. So in the name and colors option, I can change the color. I can use any color as per my requirement. Then I can change the font and font size of the text which I am using in the report. I can also change the font of the title we are using in the visual and the size of the titles, and similarly the font size of the values which are showing in the cards and KPIs. And when we are done with entering the details according to our requirement, we can click on apply and the changes will be made to my report. We can also save this theme as a JSON code in our desktop. I will save it as a demo theme so we can use it later. So this is the manual way of customizing the theme. But let's suppose when you share this report with a client and he or she require any change in this report, like change the color of some visuals or change the font size or title size, then manually changing everything will be time consuming. We can do this all the change within seconds using ChatGPT. So let's see how we can do this. We simply have to navigate to ChatGPT and enter a new page. Then first we have to establish the role. We will ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a Power BI developer. Then if I want Power BI to create a fresh theme for my Power BI report. So what I have to do, I have to simply ask ChatGPT to create a Power BI theme using the color as per your requirement. Here I will say use color red, blue and green. And when I enter this prompt, it will create a JSON code for me. I simply have to copy this code and paste it in a notepad and save it as a JSON file, and then we can use this theme in Power BI. Now let's suppose you want to modify the theme on which you are currently working. So what you have to do, you have to simply open the theme, that is the JSON code which you have saved in the report. When you open the JSON code, you simply have to copy this code and paste it into ChatGPT. When you paste this code, you have to enter the prompt as change the color in this theme, and then you can enter the color you want, or you can enter the color code as per your requirement. We will say use red, blue and green color. If we also want to change the font size, then we will enter change the title size to 11 and change font to Times New Roman. By entering this prompt, what ChatGPT will do, it will modify the existing prompt according to your need. As you can see, it has changed the font type to Times New Roman and changed the font size to 11 for title. Using this way, you can modify the complex JSON code which has generated through your theme. Sometimes ChatGPT might not provide the exact result we want. In such cases, we can explore external theme generator website. There are so many websites available to create amazing themes. I came across this one useful website which is known as bibb.pro. In this website, you got the option for theme generator, and here you can upload image according to the need, and you can also select the trending themes, and by simply clicking on apply, it will generate the JSON code for you. You can download it and you can also see how the theme will look like. So this is all about how we can create customized theme, or we can create JSON code using ChatGPT, and we can create themes using external theme generator. Thank you for watching this video.